Hello, my name is Airidas Kirstukas, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create the blog page using Astra Theme and Elementor. If you need to install them, you can get from links below in the video description, where you can download them and upload them. How to do it? You can watch the videos from the beginning of this playlist. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create blog pages like this.
And a sidebar like this, and if you're gonna go and press one, you're gonna have page like this, and you can go in next post, and next post is gonna be displayed like this. And if you're gonna be the home page, you as well could display even on the front page if you would like. So if you're gonna go to the WP Astra, there you need to scroll down to the end of the page, press the download now button, save on your computer, and then upload to the WordPress website. You can watch my previous video to find out how to do that. The same is with the Elementor. You just need to free downloads, press the button, save on your computer, and then go to the dashboard on your WordPress, on the section plugins, and then add new, upload plugin, browse, pick, and save it, and it would be there. If you can see install plugins, I already installed in previous tutorials Elementor and Astra Theme, and then press the post and add new one. And let's create few pages. Package up forwarding, publish, and view post. As you can see, it's empty. It doesn't look very bad. It doesn't look very good. So go back on the dashboard, on the post, and just create new one. And then we can add the category, add new category. And you can do that, stick to the top of the blog, so that article would be displayed always on the top or pending review. So if someone else wanted to review before you're gonna display on your website, just go to down, just add new Slack. It would make sense to have the same as a category. So just set future image. You can set future image. You just go there, and then for consolidation, let's put this one image, and just press select. We have excerpt. That is small description about the blog article. Okay, just discussion. Allow comments, allow pingbacks and trackbacks. You should leave on if you want. If you don't want, just disable. Post attributes, default template, Elementor canvas, Elementor full width. So you have to leave on the default templates. And Astra settings. So you have on the sidebars customizer settings, so that is the default. So on the left side, on the right side, or no sidebar. I'm gonna stick with this customizer setting. And content layout, you can have as well few options: boxed, contain boxed, full width, contain, full width, stretch. You can pick any style, but just make sure you stick with one style for whole website. So let's say I'm gonna pick full width, contain, and then disable section you have as well. Now disable primary header. That's primary header would be disabled for that page. It doesn't make sense for me, but If you want, you can do it. And then you have disable title. Title is this one. Disable future image. So this one, future image, wouldn't be showing up. Disable footer widgets. If you have any footer widget, disable footer bar, disable breadcrumb. I'm gonna talk about the breadcrumbs later in next video. And then transparent header, I just gonna press disable and then publish. And we can view the post, and as you can see, it look quite nice. Package consolidation, it's only empty one. So let's go back on our dashboard, on our post, package consolidation, and press edit with Elementor. And now we can create the page. So just press the plus sign, select container, go to advanced set, go to those dots and insert the text editor. I just gonna copy some text. I'm gonna paste. Yeah, the text is there. So let's insert some image, add media. And we pick this one, so insert into post, and you have a picture. It doesn't display very nice. If you press on the image, you can make smaller, and then you can align in those three options on the left with the text, in the middle, or on the right. So I don't know, let's leave it on the right at the moment. And then if you're gonna go in a text, you can make right, center, or left. And if you wanna go to the text, align text right. I like to keep on justify. And you can see it's equally justify the text, and you have to do the same here. That's image justified, but it doesn't work. It will work. It justified. Okay, so we created the update, and now let's play about the header. So if you want to make a nicer header than that one, just press new section, select the structure, move this one on the up, and then go to and pick the header, put the header here, and let's say gonna copy and just paste here. Okay, just gonna package it consolidation, and then you can change the style. You can make in the middle, on the right, let's say in the middle. You can change the size, and it's well like small, medium, default. So if you're gonna go on style, you can change text color, let's say this one, and make just a bit transparent. You can do type foreground B, size, as well as just some decoration. You can underline or overline, it's down to you. Let's say leave it this one, and if you're gonna go press on that button, you can go on advanced settings, and then you can add some motions effect, let's say fading in. It's a lot of things. Okay, I'm not gonna play, I'm just gonna press update, and then we can preview with this one. Yep, and it has been created, that page. It doesn't look very nice for me. This one have two headlines, So let's delete this one, top one. If you're gonna go to the dashboard, you go on a post, you go on a package consolidation, and then you scroll down, you have disable title, update, and preview. You can see it disappeared. It's quite nice, the post, I can admit. So what we have to do next, let's go to that page. Which one is this? I'm gonna show one trick. When you created the page, which one you like, you have an option to create a template. So you just press save as template, and then you can name it blocks template. And press save it, and you can see block template. So let's go to the dashboard, all post, package forwarding, go as well, disable here title, update, and then edit with Elementor, and you can see the blank. So if I'm gonna go now and add template, my templates, and I just gonna go and find block template, and I'm gonna import, yes, I'm just gonna press, and I import it. As you can see, it doesn't, I'm gonna just press update and preview. As we can see, it's still messing up. As you can see, it doesn't showing up very nice on the page. So why is that? If we're going to the dashboard, on the post, and then this one, you just press that, and we have to go and disable the transparent header. Update, preview, and now it looks like same as previous one. So edit with Elementor, and this is package forwarding service. So I'm just gonna copy information, just press on that, you just change. You see, I just have to change the text. I don't need to play up more with the styles or with the other settings if I just make it from the template page. And the same here, I'm just gonna copy text, yes, I done it with the text. It just doesn't work with those settings of justified, so you still need to adjust, because at the moment it's aligned into center. Justify, visual, all done. And then if you're gonna go, you can, let's say, press there where you want to insert the picture, add media, and press insert some picture. Yeah, it looks so big, so but we can make smaller, and then we can insert on the right and update. Let's preview, and as you can see, package forwarding, and if we press next one, package consolidation, previous post, package forwarding. It's all pages has been created. It's only sidebar not showing anything. So if we're gonna go to the customizer, now we have to create the page where to display those pages. So we have to go to the dashboard, we have to press on the page, add new one, news, publish, go to preview, and as we can see, it's just news, it doesn't display any post, and it's nothing on the sidebar. So if we're gonna go to customizer, go to widgets, and main sidebar, add widget, and then we can add any of them: archives, audio. Let's say we're gonna recent post, title, news, and as you can see, it's already displaying the news. It's only the thing, I would like that future image would as well display it on the left. So just press publish at the moment, go back, this just switched off, and then if you're gonna press on the page, yeah, it's all displaying. It doesn't look very nice for me. So what we have to do, we have to go to dashboard, to the plugins, and we need to install new plugins. So we're gonna press add new plugins, search for the plugins, and we're gonna search for recent post widgets with thumbnails, and we found it. It's have over 100,000 active installations, and it's compatible with our version of WordPress. So press install, it's saying installing, it's activate, okay, it's activated. So now we're gonna go back to the pages, we go to the news, just preview, and then we're gonna go to customizer, to the widget, to the main sidebar, add widget, and now we look our new installed widget, recent post with thumbnails. I just gonna add it, title on the widget, so we're just gonna press publish, and as you can see, it's already displaying some picture on the right. So we're just gonna go off, and on package forwarding it doesn't displaying. So go to the dashboard, go to the post, press on the package consolidation, you can see future images there, and if we're gonna go all post on the package forwarding, it's no future image, so why it's not displaying? So let's pick future image, select, update, preview, and it's displaying now both of them. So as you can see, you can pick either style, this one or that one. I preferring this one with the pictures one, so I'm gonna disable this one. If I'm gonna go back to customizer, to the widgets, to the main sidebar, news, remove, and it's disappeared. And this one isn't with pictures, I can rename to the news. And then you have the number of posts and add all the things, a lot of settings. You can show the date, or you can show some excerpt like small description and other things. Let's say I want to show post date, I just press that and it should appear here. Yeah, it's appeared here. I'm gonna press publish, and gonna switched off of this customizing menu. So we created the sidebar. So what we need to now create the page which one gonna display the post. So we have to go back to the dashboard, to the menu, and this one remove, that old one, and this new one, add to menu. It's appear here. I just gonna drag on the top, save menu, news, and we gonna need as well install the one plugin. So we're gonna go install add new one. Just search for premium add-ons for the Elementor. Premium add-ons for Elementor. These have as well over 100,000 active installation. So let's install it. Activate. And go to the pages. Go to our new page. Edit with Elementor. And it's appeared this one extra signed for those extra widgets. Okay, I'm gonna search post premium block. So I just gonna press this side, and then I'm gonna go add posts premium block and insert. And as you can see, it's already displaying. We have a lot of settings in here: zoom in, frame, display option, how much text, what to display. So I just gonna preview changes. You can see the pages is already displayed and menu is here. So it's already displaying our post. So if you press another one, you just go next post, previous post. If you press on the news, you have this one. You can still edit with Elementor. You can go and just press on a setting, and then you have display options. You have class or card skin, so that's appearing some future image for the author. So I'm just gonna leave on the classic. HTML, you can make font bigger, smaller. I just gonna leave on the default. Number of columns free at the moment. Layouts, even thumbnail minimum height. Post option. You can as well display or don't display. A lot of customization, advanced settings. How many per page. You can filter some posts for specific category by author, carousel. You can enable, probably it would be keep scrolling the carousel. You have a stylish as well, change the color, overlay color, CSS filter, title. You can change the title. Let's say I'm gonna change title color to this one color, and as you can see it's changed. So as you can see, is a lot of customization option available. Box, it just need to play an app. Read more text, color, hover color, typography. Update, apply, exit, view page. So as you can see, we created the news page. So if we're gonna go to our WordPress website, let's say this one, and you wanna insert anywhere, let's say somewhere, let's say I'm gonna go edit with Elementor. scroll down, add new section, this one, and then widgets, post, yep, advanced settings, no, not advanced, press on this one, settings, and just with full width, so it's gonna show in the whole page. So you can see it's gonna show the page, show the blog page in the post, and then you can as well move to somewhere up if you like. Let's say I want it here, this section, display, update, preview, and then if you scroll down you can see the somewhere blog page is gonna be as well inserted in the middle of the page. So you can see so much flexibility you can make it.
I hope you have liked what you have seen in this video. If you think you get any value from this video, please like the video and may consider to subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos, and don't forget to press notification bell. Thank you and bye bye.